All right, here's how you do today's Google Earth assignment. So you're going to have two links. One is the link to Google Earth, and it should take you to this view right here. You also have a link to the template, which is the Middle East Images template. And this has 10 countries. You've got Saudi Arabia, Oman, Iran, Iraq, Yemen, Turkey, Bahrain, Qatar, Syria, and Jordan. What you're going to do is find images of what the country is like from the ground level in each of these places. So the way you do that is you click on the little man icon here down at the bottom right, and that's going to open up a lot of blue. The blue, if it's a line, is a road, and if it's a dot, it would be like a picture that somebody took. You can use either one. These pictures are actually pretty good, so I'm going to just select this little picture right here, and that's going to take me down. This is like a photosphere picture, so it's like usually a 360-degree picture. And so this takes me here, and this is, whoa, the sand dunes. So I'm going to take, it looks pretty hot and dry. I'll take an image of this that looks pretty decent. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I don't like that picture. So I want to choose a better one. So I'll zoom out. I'll click the man, and I will go in here. And I've got to also make sure that I'm staying in Saudi Arabia. So you've got to know where your country boundaries are. So let's try whatever is here in this location. So it's going to zoom in. Looks like we got a bunch of rocks and stuff. And so this would be, wow, I need like a canyon. So these are people camping in a canyon, looks like, in Saudi Arabia. So what I'm going to do is take a screenshot of this. Okay, so we'll take a screenshot of this right here. There we go. I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to go back to my template, and I'm going to paste it right there. But I'm also going to resize it so that it looks nicer and kind of fit it nicely in this box. Then I'm going to do a description. It's not a restaurant. This looks like people camping in a canyon in central Saudi Arabia. Good. Then the last thing I have to do is put the coordinates. Where exactly is this place? And there's a couple different ways of doing that. The best way is to, let's stop right here, is look onto the bottom right. So where this is, 2720 and then 4007. So it's 27 and 20 north and 4007 east. So I'll go back here. So 27.07 north. And let's look at that number again, 40.07 east, 40.07 east, and there we go. And I'm just going to do that for each of the countries, and then I'm going to get a nice image sequence of the different places, different ways people live and do things, the different landscapes in each one of these countries. So easy enough. Good luck.